You got a favorite fruit tree, you want more but don't have room? Grafting is your answer. Winter, early spring is the best time to graft, but you got to do it while the tree is dormant. Now, one of the most important factors of grafting is you need to make sure you use an extremely sharp knife or a grafting tool like I'm going to use here. Now, a clean, precise cut makes the difference in a successful graft. Now, the first thing we want to start with our scion, which needs to be young growth, disease free. This is a bartlett pear. We're going to use this as our rootstock. So what you want to do is take your scion and try to match it up with a small branch that's almost the same size. So you take your grafting tool and make your cut. So using the grafting tool, it makes one cut opposite of the other, and you can slide it on and it makes a perfect fit. Now, another important factor of this, now the candom layer is right here where the bark and the inside meet. This is where you'll see a green. You got to make sure you line the candom layer up on both sides because that's what will make it graft. Now you'll need some grafting tape. I have used beeswax before. That works very well. So get your scion lined up with your rootstock. Take time to be sure that you line the candom layer up and wrap it tight. Now take your time on this because your scion will try to move around, and make sure that you wrap this nice and tight. Now don't get it so tight that you're going to crush it. So wrapping does two things. It helps hold the scion in place and it helps protect where the graft is going to take place because we met the candium layer up and that's where the magic happens. So give it some time. It'll take several weeks for that graft to actually form, and it'll start happening when the tree comes out of dormancy and the sap starts to move up through the tree. The graft will start to form. Once the graft starts to heal, you will be able to see it. You can remove the grafting tape and then you're off and running. So give it time, be patient with them. So if you only have just a couple of fruit trees in your backyard and you want more, this is the absolute best way to do it. So you can take and add multiple types of fruit trees to your backyard orchard and stay contained in a small space.